You've got big dreams, but you're stuck in the grind, searching for answers, but can't seem to find. You need some guidance to break through the noise, someone to help you to unlock your voice. 'Cause you don't have to do it alone. Take responsibility, make it your own. With a plan that's made for you, you'll find your way, it's true. Ask Fleur, she'll show you how. With coaching and workshops, you'll rise right now. Take responsibility, rise above. Your success is in your hands. That's the love. Who do you ask when your cash flow sucks? Ask Flo. Who do you ask when your sales are down? Ask Flo. Who do you ask when your staff drive you nuts? Ask Flo. Who do you ask when you're stuck in a rut? Ask Flo. From setting goals to staying on track, Fleur will help you find your way back. Success is built one step at a time.